something like this. What is hydrated salt, or what's an hydrated salt? An hydrated salt is a salt or a compound that contains water of crystallization. Example of it is what we have here, Na2SO4.XH2XH2O. This is the water of crystallization attached to this, attached to sodium tetrahydrosulfate. So when we talk about an hydrous salt, an hydrous salt is a salt that is void of water of crystallization. It means that we don't have XH2O. So it means that if I get to cover this is an hydrous salt. But the moment I remove my hand from this, it becomes hydrated. Please take note. So whenever I want to solve a question like this, it has a formula. So solution. Remember, any problem without a solution is a catastrophe. So now, our formula is X is equals to molar mass of the anhydrous salt. Please take note. Molar mass of the, so let's write it as OA. Take note. Now, then open bracket, that's the mass of the hydrated salt. Let's write it as HM minus mass of the anhydrous. So let's write it as AM then. AM all over 18, then mass of the anhydrous salt. This is mass of the molar mass of the anhydrous salt, mass of the hydrated salt, mass of the anhydrous multiplied by 18. So some people might be asking or curious, how is 18 coming into this formula? 18 is a constant. The same way we have our constant, which is 0.693 when it comes to half-life. Remember, our formula for half-life is equals to 0.693 over k, which is the decay constant. But that aside, so now let's begin to fuse in rather our parameter. So it means that this will require us to calculate the molar mass of the anhydrous. I remember I said anhydrous means one that is void of water of crystallization. So that's NaSO4, right? This is anhydrous because water of crystallization is absent. Now, what's the mass number of sodium? That's 23, right? 23 plus sulfur is 32 plus 16 times 4, right? So now, that's Na2 rather. So that's 23 times 2. So 23 times 2, that will give us 46 plus 32 plus 16 times 4, that will give us 64, right? So now 46 plus 32, that will give us 78. 78 plus 64, that will give us 142 gram per mole. So it means that the mass number of the anhydrous salt here is 142 gram per mole. So under this, MOA becomes 142. So that's 142. Then open bracket. What is the mass of the hydrated? Remember, 1.34 gram of the hydrated Na2SO4. So I'm just coming here and pick this. That becomes 1.34 minus mass of the anhydrous was heated to give an anhydrous salt weighing 0.71 grams. So that becomes 0.71. So let me clean this. Permit me to clean that. 0.71 all over 18 multiplied by, what is the mass of the anhydrous salt again? That's 0.71, right? 0.71. And this becomes 142, open bracket, 1.34 minus 0.71, that's going to give us 0.63. Yes, 0.63 all over 18 times 0.71, that will give us 12.78. 12.78. Now, 142 multiplied by 0.63. Remember, what we are looking for is x. So that's x now is equals to, that should give us 89. Please confirm for me, a student there. Okay, 89, thank you. That's 89.46 divided by 12.78. Then x is equals to 89.46 divided by 12.78. What do we have? 7, right? All right, thank you. So it means that x here in this question is 7. So we can then write this as Na2SO4.7H2O. Please take note of it. So from our option, which of it is our answer? Option A. So thank you very much. Please do well to share, do well to like, and do well to comment on what next you want us to educate you on as regards chemistry in our next class. Thank you, and I wish you good luck in your various exams.